All right, this is the Inspector General. All right. This is, all right. And this is Sanders Sneed's campaign manager. All right. Media specialist. So y'all got all y'all's media specialists and all that. That's fine and dandy. And that's who you're going to replace your seat with. All right. Because he cool with Shannon Sneed. He supposed to take over her spot. So like I said, Baltimore Rewired, we're going to show you the politics behind the machine, the money behind the machine. Now I'm calling the Inspector General. Marilyn Mosby been shielding the corruption and the racism since 2014. She was supposed to come in and give us access to the grand jury to take care of the corruption in the police department. She got in that seat and bullshitted everybody. All right. I gave Marilyn Mosby this information in 2014 at the candidacy forum. Brian Frost was there. John Cardins was there. Nick Mosby was there. Brian Vaith was there. Tessa was there. You feel me? They was all in the same room. Brian Frost, the Attorney General now. He was Senator Frost then. You feel me? And I got the pictures from the event. I was running for office as Lieutenant Governor as a Black Republican. So like I said, Baltimore Rewired. I'm going to give you the inside of Baltimore's politics from the ground up. I'm going to give you the inside politics of their policing department from the ground up. I'm going to give you the inside on their media from the ground up. And there ain't nothing that y'all can do to me because I'm the most accessible person in Baltimore. I go everywhere and anywhere. I go to Annapolis, Washington, D.C., New York, Chicago. I go wherever I got to go to make this done. But right now, we're going to do Baltimore Rewired. We're going to do Baltimore Rewired.
Officer the Inspector General.
Yes, my name is Dwayne Davis. We met. Are you Yvonne Brooks?
No, give me one moment. You said your name is Dwayne Davis.
Yes, Yvonne knows me as Shorty.
Shorty?
Yeah.
And where did you say you meet? Or you met?
We met at the War Memorial when y'all had an event.
War Memorial.
Couple.
Do you recall what event it was?
I forgot the name of the event. It was a couple months ago. You had all the city services out there, the different people from different parts of the city. You had the city solicitor there. You had the Inspector General. You had Department of Public Works.
Okay, give me one moment.
Yes, ma'am. I'm a whistleblower, and you got whistleblower protections. When I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger in 2011, y'all took my application and you called me a terrorist. You took all my evidence and you made me homeless. I ain't homeless no more. I'm working homeless, but I'm working out of my homelessness. And we're going to address that too. Yes?
She is actually gone for the day. I can definitely take a message though.
All right, my name is Dwayne Davis. You can reach me at 443 831 1188. I am a whistleblower, and I am looking for whistleblowers protection because I blew the whistle on the corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County courts and the Democratic Party.
Okay, I'm sorry. Say that one more time. You said you blew the whistle.
I'm sorry? I am a whistleblower. I blew the whistle on the Democratic Party in Baltimore City and Baltimore County courts, Governor O'Malley's mob machine, on February the 2nd, 2011. On February the 7th, 2011, all of my material for the whistleblowers application was stolen by Greg Bernstein, Commissioner Belfield, and I was incarcerated for 86 days and charged with terrorism.
All right, I'm sorry, sir. I caught half of that. You're speaking a little too fast. Your material was stolen by who?
My material was stolen by Greg Bernstein, Baltimore City Commissioner Belfield, City Solicitor George Nielsen, Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. I gave him that information on February the 2nd, 2011. 5 days after I gave him that information, I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland, by Scott Shellenberger in Baltimore County. I was held for 86 days. My truck, my computer, and all my evidence was stolen by the state. I won my case, and I won my case in my trial, but my property was never returned, and I'm not compensated for my losses. I was a whistleblower, and they knowingly locked up a whistleblower. They kidnapped me. And when I spoke to Yvonne, she told me to hand this information over. So before I gave this information to Yvonne, Council President Brandon Scott has it. Leon Pinkett has it. Because I gave it up to them. I gave them this material at the gag order hearing 2 weeks ago. I'm coming over to City Hall tomorrow morning to get this material, and I'm going to turn it over to you.
Okay, is it possible that do you have our information?
I'm looking at your business card right now, and it says, oh, it don't have no address on it. City of Baltimore, Office of the Inspector General, email complaints and tips to OIG, Baltimore City Government, OIG fraud hotline, but there's no address for you.
We're located in City Hall, sir.
Yes.
You can just ask for Office of the Inspector General, and somebody will come down and meet you.
All right, well, I'll do that tomorrow. When I get the information from Leon Pinkett, I'm going to hand it straight over to you.
All right.
I also got a video of Baltimore City Police coming up in my house, putting guns to my head. And the Baltimore City Police Department destroyed the Internal Affairs Division report that I had. This happened in October of 2010.
Are you able to provide us with a copy of the video? Yes,
ma'am. The matter of fact, you can call the FBI. Chicago office got a copy of the video. I got a Department of Justice case file with the Department of Justice because Johnny Oleski asked the Department of Justice to investigate this as well. So I want everybody on the same page just in case somebody put a bullet in my head. Okay?
All right. Well, I'll make sure to pass this information to Mr. Brooks because I will not be here tomorrow. And any other questions, you can just give us a call, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you.
All right. Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Leon Pinkett. And the Office of the Inspector General. Y'all locked up a whistleblower. I'm out $2.6 million in lost wages. I filed a $54 million lawsuit. I can't get that. I'm coming after your money, and I'm going to destroy your machine. Brandon Scott can't shield it. Y'all can't hide the corruption. I was making a movie and a documentary. That's not against the law. What is against the law is kidnapping. What is against the law is destroying evidence. What is against the law is lying to the grand jury. Scott Shellenberger knowingly lied to the grand jury. That material that I gave Leon Pinkett, Shannon Sneed, McCrae, and Brandon Scott last week is my whistleblower's application. If they don't act on it, that means that there's coercion. That means that you shielding the corruption. Jane Miller got this. Y'all seen WJZ last night when they came up to the Corinthians. They got this. I got an underground network of friends that when this shit come out, it's coming out. Sell this shit to Tyler Perry, sell it to whoever. But Baltimore Rewired, it's gonna happen. The digital underground. Watch me. You ain't beat me yet. I'm still breathing. I still got my crown. I told you when you started this, you rather walk through hell with gasoline drawers on. Dog, it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot.